In a world that moves fast and lives loud, there is a place where life finds its perfect rhythm. Welcome to iWA. A name born of two words and tied by one soul. I is derived from the secret Indus River where India draws her name, and Wa meaning harmony in Japanese, which is a philosophy of balance and peace. Together they create a space where serenity meets legacy. Inspired by timeless Khajaguda rocks and crafted by mastery Nikken Sekkei. iWA is where India's roots and Japan's harmony come together to offer you not only a place to live but also a place to belong. Nestled in the prime location of Puppalguda, Nanakramguda and just minutes away from Sri Padhmanabha Swamy temple, iWA opens doors to ultimate connectivity and convenience. This project is spread over 7.1 acres with 6 towers and each tower G plus 40 floors. %70 open area, 887 units and 5-level car parkings. iWA features artistically crafted 3 and 4 BHK with sizes ranging from 2290 to 4710 SFT, each designed to welcome sunlight, serenity and space. At iWA, you get to witness the breathtaking views of 400 plus acres of Khajaguda Hills. At iWA, nature is an essential part of how you live. From tranquil Zen gardens to lush open lawns, every element is designed to bring you closer to the natural world. Coming to the construction highlight, this is less concrete exposed structure, building facade with glass and louvers. Parking above ground level, no issue of seepage and suffocation. This project main entrance is onto the 100-feet road connecting Khajaguda Hills and ORR. .5 kilometers to ORR service lane and 1 kilometer from Khajaguda Hills. Close to IT parks and international schools. These tower structures are built with minimal damage to Mother Earth. The excavated land is resoiled and compacted. More efficient floor plans and structure, 100% Vastu compliant and only 24% common area loading. Premium lifestyle specifications include imported marble flooring, all doors of 8 feet, floor-to-floor height of 11 feet. Windows and sliding doors with aluminium frame and double glazed glass units. Home automation, biometric lock on main door and a massive 2 lakh square feet amenities. Come home to iWA, where every breath feels balanced and every day begins with peace.